In this video, I will compare the InstaCool Pro to traditional portable units to see if this two-in-one device truly dominates the market. When you look at the landscape of home climate control, the trade-off is usually between power and portability. Standard units often require complex window venting or professional installation that can damage your walls. In contrast, the InstaCool Pro is built around a plug-and-play philosophy that requires absolutely no tools. It functions as both a portable air conditioner and a heater, which gives it a massive versatility win over one-dimensional cooling fans. While traditional ACs are bulky fixtures, this unit is lightweight and space-saving, specifically designed for renters or apartment dwellers who cannot make permanent alterations to their space. It claims to cool or heat a room in just 5 seconds, covering up to 550 square feet, which is a significant range for such a compact device. Over 275,000 customers have already opted for this model over cheap imitations, citing its whisper-quiet operation as a standout feature for nighttime use. When comparing costs, the current 50% discount brings it down to $179, making it a much more budget-friendly entry point than central air or high-end standing units. With a lifetime warranty and free shipping included, it offers a level of security that many off-brand competitors simply do not match. If you want year-round comfort without the installation headache, this is a strong contender. Thanks for watching, and let me know in the comments if you prefer portable units or central air. Be sure to like and subscribe for more reviews.